Hi guys, it's me Tanajah. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm bringing you a reverting my hair from straight to curly hair. But hold up, have you subscribed yet? I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair into sections before I start adding my water. I like working in sections when I'm doing this because I don't like drenching my whole hair with water. I like working in sections, so if I see any damage, I can like kind of know what section it's in. So yeah, I'm starting off by wetting my section. And girl, this is the moment of truth. This is always the scariest part about straightening your hair, worrying about deep heat damage, but you see your girl curls peeking through it. So like in my head I was like relieved because I'm like, yes, I did good to straighten my hair and not have any heat damage so far, and my hair just reverted right back, so I was proud about that.
Playing on the track.
At this point, your girl is like, what heat damage, bitch? Yeah. I mean, who got heat damage? Because I don't hit. But I'm just continuing, to wet these sections and work this water into my hair to just make sure that I don't have any damage. And you can see the difference here. She reverted right back. She's ready. She's curly. One side of my hair is always a little looser than the other side. I don't know how to like catch one side up with the other one. If you guys know, please comment down below. Like, I have tried everything to get my curls like the opposite side of my head, but I can't. I'm going to take a shower and go in with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. And I did that. So this is me out of the shower with nothing on my hair. And I'm just going to start adding my deep conditioner here. I'm going to section off and add my deep conditioner. I'm going to be using the Texture ID treatment mask.
Playing on the track. Playing on the track. Bling on the track.
At this point, girl, you want to slather on this deep conditioner like it's a perm because you want to deep condition those edges and get every strand. No strand needs to be left behind, okay? So I'm just going to distribute that and look at these curls. I got curls for the girls, okay? She's ready, you know. She's ready for a wash and go. She's ready for a twist out. She's ready and I'm happy, okay? No heat damage. So I'm clearly, you know, feeling myself. So I'm just going to continue on to do this and keep on watching.
Bling on the track.
Okay, y'all, the next step to like reverting and like getting moisture back into my hair, I go in with the hot oil treatment. And it's just like a combination of oils. I'm going to show you guys what oils I used for this treatment, but you never want to put your oil directly in heat. When you do a hot oil treatment, you want to place your oil in a bowl of hot water or in a cup of hot water to keep the nutrients of the oil. So first, for my oil, you're gonna need like a little oil distributor. I don't know what this is called. Tag it below, but I don't know. I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil, argan oil. I'm going to use an oil cocktail, and this has coconut oil, black castor oil, and castor oil in it. And this oil is the last oil is my fiance's oil that he uses on his hair and beard, but it has rosemary oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and it's another oil, but I can't think of it. Anyway, it's good oils for your hair. So I just mixed that all together, and this is what I'll be using for my hot oil treatment.
Bling on the track.
Next, I'm going to be deep conditioning, and I'm just going to use a plastic cap to place on my head to start my deep conditioning process. And I'm also going to place my hot head bonnet on top of that. And if you don't have one of these, I suggest buying one. It's a lazy way of deep conditioning, and you just place it in a microwave and pop it on. And so this is how I will go to sleep and deep condition overnight. Okay, y'all, this is me the next morning after I washed out my hot oil treatment and my deep conditioner, and honestly, my hair feels so good, and I am so proud that I don't have any heat damage, because I'm always scared straightening my hair. The only reason I straightened my hair this time is because I needed to clip my ends. So I'm glad to not have any heat damage. So just take the time out to just see the goodness of my hair, my luster. I mean, I hope you guys can tell that it's soft, because I mean, it is really soft.
S-Bling on the track.
I hope you queens enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.